Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you some affordable background items that I got from my videos. So you don't need to break the bank to have a background at all. So I want to show you guys my actual tricks that I use basically to have a background like this. Okay, so what you would need, a it's not a tripod, but it's a space basically that you need for your background. It could be anything big, as long as you find somewhere comfortable and somewhere appropriate. So I will put a picture up if I can find it, a picture of what I use to hold this background right here. But you will need some few items basically before you start. So you will need some clamps, which I purchased from the Dollar Tree, which I'm using right now for my background, but usually I also use my hair clips as a trick or as available tools basically to hold the pieces back there. And you can find anything that can hold things basically, and also something where your thing will stand on. So I forgot the name of it, but I will do a link, or I will put a picture up um doing my video. Okay, so now I want to show you basically, I actually got my background, all of them, from Walmart. It's a section in Walmart where they sell like clearance things. They already cut or whatsoever, so I just pick them up from there and I make a use of it. Sometimes it's a yard, sometimes it's 2 yards, sometimes it's a yard and a half, and they are all reasonable prices. So let's use this one first, okay? So for instance, again, my background doesn't consist of particular thing. It's everything I can find available. Okay, so like this one right here, it says one piece for only 50 cents. Okay, this is what, I'm pretty sure you can see the 50 cent. Okay, so this is what the pattern looks like. Okay, so you can make something out of this as a background. You don't need anything too big, and look at this. You can make this as a background. Okay, so that's just one. And then this is $1. Okay, this is $1. It says one piece as well. It doesn't actually give me the yard, okay, yards or whatsoever. So look at this. Okay, so you can add a white or pink background with this to go with this, to give you a layer, and basically just add a layer in between. So instead of just putting this blank, just add another white layer behind it, so it will give you like a volume, like I did with this one. This one is a white and a gray color. You won't even tell I added a white background to it, a material should I say. Okay, and I also picked up this color as well for 99 cents. Okay, so this is about a yard, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this is like a yard, like a satin gray. Okay, So you can make anything work. It all depends on you as well. I don't think I want to open every single one of them, but just to give you an idea, basically what you could do and use to make any background look nice or great. Okay, this is $1 as well. And also this is $1 as well. Okay. And I also picked up this one as well, this sequence one, and I've used this a couple of times for my video background for, I think it was like $2. Yeah, either $1.50 or $2 the most. So I never pay anything more than $2 for my background. So yeah, so these, I've used these. Okay. Like I said, I've used this also, and I also pair, you know, this as a background of this. So it's up to you basically to see, you know, what you can find and so on and so forth. There you go. I have this one for 50 cents. Okay, this looks like a blanket, but once you already put some clamps on these, on the back of your stand or whatsoever, this do look real nice. I think I will use that for my next tutorial. Okay, so like I said, I never paid more than $1.99. This is $1.50. Okay, and this is okay, this is for the yellow, and I paid $2.23. So yeah, I take that back. $2.23. Okay, I wanted this yellow so bad, so I paid for that price. Okay, so this is 75 cents. Okay, I'm pretty sure you can see. Like I said, some of these are already used. Okay. And some of these still have, this is $1. Like I said, this is a nice satin material, burgundy color, for $1. So it's up to you guys basically what you can do. Again, I have a black one here for $1. So I could pair this black and a white background, or just do all black. Okay, so I have this one also that I love, which I always put in the back with a white background as well. And I also picked up, this is more than a yard basically. So see how heavy it is right here. So I paid $2.38 for it. You know, I think it's a great color, and for the background, definitely was a good buy. And I also picked up this Chinese kind of material. Yeah, so like I said guys, it's up to you. So you don't need to spend too much money on for your background to get a nice background, unless if you want to. You know, it all depends on the person preference on what they want to do. So yeah, so look at this one too. Look at a gray background for $1. Yeah, so these are just few of the things, you know. Well, not few, I have enough, more than enough background, you know, background materials to use basically. So yeah, so you don't need to break the bank to get good items. So check your local Walmart or Joann Fabrics or I'm not sure what other store you can go to, you know, but my main place where I normally go and find my cheap items is Walmart. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.